everybody, it's me, Sarah, and in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make penne salad pasta. It's so good, guys. It's the best pasta ever. Now, this is what you need for it. Eliminating any pasta you have in your pantry. I'm going to be using some penne, but remember, do what you like. The next thing you'll be needing is an onion, jalapeno, some garlic, how many you want. It's optional, it's about you. You can add some more vegetables if you like to. Some green bell pepper, some red bell pepper, some orange bell pepper, a whole tomato. And then, guys, we are also going to be adding some more. I'm also going to be adding some more ingredients to this recipe. So yeah, I'm going to be asking an adult to barbecue the onion, the red bell pepper, the green bell pepper, the orange bell pepper, the tomato, the whole tomato, and the jalapeno for me. And then after that, I will ask them to slice it. And then yeah, so while we're doing that, you want to put your pasta in on the stove. It's the stove, but you want to put it on the stove. You can do it for about 10 minutes if you want. You could do it for about 10 minutes if you want, but it's optional about which one you're making. It's all about what your cover says. And I actually do 10 minutes like rice. You should do 10 minutes like rice if you don't get told what you're supposed to add. So yeah, guys, now this is off to the barbecue. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Then after the barbecue is done, after the slicing is done, I will be back and I will teach you guys how to do this. So, bye for now. Okay, guys, I'm back, and so this is the barbecue stuff. This is my sister barbecued. She barbecued the garlic, the bell peppers, like every bell pepper that I showed you guys, and then got the jalapeno. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm touching it. I don't like it. And now, guys, oh my god, this is oily. Okay, guys, so here's the onions, the barbecued onions that are really barbecue. Okay, that was hot, so yeah. Okay, so my sister barbecued these, and now she's gonna chop them up. And I'm gonna put, after she's done chopping up, I'm gonna put this in the pot with the pasta that's been boiling, so they'll kind of mesh together. I'm gonna be adding butter. I'm gonna be adding butter and lemon. Butter and lemon. Okay, I'm adding butter and lemon, and that is actually the secret sauce. It's been revealed.
Can you see? Yeah.
Okay, guys. So this is how my sister is cutting. Yeah. So right now she's doing the orange bell pepper. You have to cut these thinly so you can get the whole taste. You can get everything in it. Not like one piece of the pasta and then one piece of this. You want to get everything in it. So yeah, this is a preview of what it's gonna look like. There we go. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. And now, guys, it is ready. I love this pasta so much, guys. It's so good. So, let me teach you guys how to make this a little better. This part is optional, but it'll make it really good. So, take some. It just wants to go in directly. Okay, we're just gonna use this one. A little parsley. So you guys can add. I'm gonna garnish this with parsley, but you guys can use mint, coriander. But I like my parsley, so I'm gonna add some parsley. So make it into. Just want to go make it in small pieces and put it in. Yeah, that smells good. Okay, and that's it, guys. That is it, guys. That was super simple, guys. I liked it. I like making this with you guys. It was fun. And now my favorite part. It's time to dig in. Now it's time. So I'm super excited. Oh, we gotta get all these vegetables. No. It wants the food too. Okay, so let me try this. I'll get some. Hopefully, it won't come back. So let's see. Let's try this. Oh my god. Oh my god. There is so much taste in this, guys. Every single bite I take, I'm tasting a new vegetable. This is so good, guys. I love this. Okay, guys. But this is the end. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that bell button to get notified when Sarah Show posts new videos. I hope you guys liked this video. And then, bye-bye!